So I got the exhausts on to the airplane, and they look pretty good on the one side. And now I have to make the other side. So in order to show you how that's done, my son's laughing at me right now. He'll probably do some editing later and some commentary. I'm going to try to make one of these individually and show you sort of what the basic idea is, and then stick it on the other side here. So here are the exhausts. And so what I did was, there's a couple of pieces that need to be cut out like little darts, so I cut them out first. There's one on that side, there's one on this side, there's one here, and there's one here. And then you just follow around the outside edge and cut all these out. It's easy because it's all straight edges. There's no curves, nothing like that. So go ahead and cut all these out. Carefully. And all the way around. He doesn't really do this fast and efficiently, as my camera, it seems like it only records for 6 minutes or 8 minutes or something, and then it's over. Okay, so then I got this piece and I went around and I colored all the edges, and I find that when you get to the little darts, the way to color those is to just go on the back side and sort of push in with a marker, and it will sort of automatically go into, you'll sort of flood and go in between and make that look pretty good. And then finally I took it and I put black on that end, because that's the end that you're going to see when it is being that's the end you're going to see when it's folded. Now in terms of folding, I pre-made all my little folds. So I just took this, grabbed it, folded that end, grab this one, fold this end down. So that's going to be sort of the basic shape. And then the back end here, those little tabs fold in like that. And there's another fold place on the other side, and they fold in. And what's going to happen is this whole thing is going to end up gluing together like that and make an opening that you really can't see too well. To glue that piece, what I ended up doing was taking some super glue and putting super glue underneath on the inside, on the outside a little bit, making sure it is the way it's supposed to be, or approximately. Folding it together, pressing it, making sure it looks like it's supposed to. It's supposed to be a rectangle down there. Taking a little bit of the accelerator, dropping it on there. That dries it immediately. So now you've got a single exhaust that's formed. You can sort of push the sides closed a little bit, but there it is. Now, all you gotta do is glue it to the side of the body. So to do that, I just grab it, pop in a little bit of glue so that it's got glue on this end. so that there's glue on the end. Take the fuselage, find where the mark is, and just set it down. Push it into place. Make sure it's straight. Glue it down. That's all there is to it. So you just do that a bunch more times. And then we'll put a little shroud around there, like the shroud that goes around this side. But that you just fold in place. So all I have to do is make, whatever, 5 more of those, put them together, and the exhaust is done.